Hi everyone, today I will show you rectangle victory versus rectangle. Please subscribe for this type of video. I will add rectangle in here, then after rectangle victory will here. Okay, rectangle in viewer 1, rectangle victory is in viewer 2. That you know about rectangle v3, you can control like this and this also, and you can control all the thing. You can control also from here, also from here. All is work like a this rectangle. Yeah, if you are using a DaVinci Resolve 21 version, then only it work. Okay, in rectangle node. Now we see rectangle node have same this feature. Now if you are in DaVinci Resolve 21, then only if you click here, then you can see same thing like before. Here also you can see same like before. If you click here and drag, same like before, but all controls you can see. And if you click control and hold it, then see here, see here, this is rectangle v3 replaceable. Because now in rectangle you can see default. So many plugins are coming soon. Please subscribe and comment it below.